Hi everyone, my name is John Benz with Panamax Furman. Welcome to CEDIA 2011. We are showing some new hardware and software for our BlueBOLT platform. If you're familiar with BlueBOLT, what it does is it lets you reboot things remotely. So no more truck rolls. If you have a component that's locked up at an installation, you can go right in and turn that outlet on or off, and effectively you're doing a hard reboot, just like unplugging something and plugging it back into the wall. That solves a lot of issues with a lot of electronic components and a lot of system issues. So what we're showing here at CEDIA 11 is our new hardware. This here is a direct plug-in device, goes right into a wall outlet. It's got 2 outlets on it. Each one of these outlets is individually controlled and monitored. The way this works is we have a bridge that just plugs into your Cat 5 cable and power cable, and that is a Zigbee gateway. So what that's going to do is create a Zigbee mesh network throughout the home, and you can plug as many of these guys as you want into the home. So now we're taking BlueBOLT, which really has been a rack mount product, into anywhere you want to take it. So it can go behind a flat panel television. It can go in the kitchen. It can go in the bedroom. It can go in the den. Anywhere you want, you can get the benefits of remote control and monitoring. Now, that's not all, because that's great to be able to do control. It's great to be able to remotely reboot things and fix those problems when they come up. But what we're able to do with this is energy management. It gives us a true energy management platform, and I'm going to show you how. We're going to look at the interface right now. Before I show you energy management, I just do want to show that yes, this does actually happen. When I click this power outlet, the light over there is going to turn off. And that is totally wireless. So we just did that over Zigbee without any wires connected. And I could be anywhere in the world right now. I could be in Timbuktu on my laptop turning this off in my client's home. So let's go ahead and look at the energy management screen. I'm going to click over to energy management. So here's our location. This is the installation location, and right here we're seeing a little bit of information, but if I click on the location, we have an energy management dashboard. So we're seeing our consumption, energy consumption. This is the sum of all the BlueBOLT enabled devices we have in the home. So all those outlets that we have these guys plugged into, it's going to tell us what is being consumed by what's plugged into that. So we're seeing the energy consumption. We're seeing it in real time, and we're seeing it over time. Now if I go into the analytics, because I want a little bit more data, I see a chart. And this chart is telling me my energy consumption over the last 24 hours, and I can hover over with my mouse and see even more data. Now, when I set up my devices, I can categorize them. So if I've got one in my home theater, I can call it home theater. If I've got one in my home office, I can say home office. If I've got in my kitchen, etc., etc. And then I can go to a pie chart. And in this pie chart, now I can see where my energy is being used. So I can go in and, when you get your electric bill, what do you see? Well, you see a number, you see your kilowatt hours, and you see what you owe, and it really doesn't tell you much about what can I do to reduce my bill, because you don't know where the energy is used. If it was $20 higher than it was last month, often you have no idea why. Well, this is going to give you that kind of information. In fact, I can even click on one of these categories in the pie chart and drill down even deeper and see when the energy was used within that category. So what we're doing now is we're taking BlueBOLT and giving integrators an opportunity to improve their customer service, to reduce their service calls, when there's a problem with the AV system, no picture on the screen, etc. Very easy to just reboot an outlet, see if that works. You just save the customer time waiting for somebody to come to their home. You've saved a truck roll. You've saved that money. But also we're giving integrators an opportunity to become energy management providers, to put in systems that save money, save energy, enable the homeowners to make real decisions about what they're going to do with their energy usage, and then set this up in a way that is going to be logical for them. You can automate the on-off to reduce standby power, so you can turn outlets off at certain times of the day and completely eliminate standby power, and that's a low-hanging fruit for energy savings. Very easy to use. This is going to be available in 2012. We're looking at a price point of about $100 for these devices. The gateway is going to run you about 120 bucks. That's retail pricing. And we're looking at about Q1 of 2012 for those. That's all I got. Thank you very much and appreciate your time.